Okay, I'm going to be doing my first Scratch video, and so here it's going to be a tutorial, and first we're going to do the first tutorial I'm going to give you on Scratch. So first we're going to click on the Create button, and as you can see, when you start a project, you will get this title, but you don't want that, so you can turn it into anything you want. But I'm going to turn it into creating sprites and costumes. And so basically, today we are going to create our own sprites, which we're just going to delete this one right here. And now we are just left at this stage. We are going to paint our own sprite, and we are going to make some costumes for it. So you can see there's this new sprite thing down here. You can choose any one of these, but what we are going to do is we're going to choose paint new sprite. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take black, make a line like that, and then another line, paintbrush. Let's see, going to start here. Actually, hang on, undo. What about I do a circle? Let's make it red. It could be like a red shirt. Actually, let's do the rectangle tool. Do something like that, and then fill it in. Then I'm gonna take a red line. I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna fill it in. Guess I might as well duplicate this part. There we go. Now all I need to do is just, where is the flip up, down, flip left, right. Okay, that is better. And I'm gonna move this over to where I want it. I'm going to take a nice color here. What I'm going to do is take the line tool. I'm going to start right here, make a little arm right like that, and then I'm going to do one right there. Let's make sure that's lined up. So you can see none of these are lined up. Okay, and I'm going to zoom back out. I'm going to click the equal sign to zoom out where we want it. And I'm going to do this. I'm going to make a head. Then I'm going to take the paintbrush and do something like that. Now I've made my first sprite here. Okay, and so now we're going to get down to making our costumes. And I'm just going to have it go to the middle right here, real quick. There. And I'm going to go back to here. I'm going to duplicate. And now this will be our second costume. I'm just going to have him walk, like make a little walk. Little picture. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the select tool.
The Earth's magnetic field causes that to happen in the atmosphere, but you have to be either really far north or really far. You have to be really close to the North Pole or really close to the South Pole.
Okay.
They see it in Alaska.
See how that looks. And what about... Okay, that looks good. Now I'm going to select this part. And I'm going to turn it this way. Okay, see how that looks.
Instead of guessing, why don't you don't make guesses. Read
Ah.
the book that you're holding.
Undo, you can click that to erase an unwanted part.
Read the words. They'll tell you exactly what all the pictures are, exactly all the facts about our space, so you don't have to guess it all.
Okay, that's good. And so...
But did you know it's dangerous to Hubble telescope? The humongous solar flare that shoots out.
And in fact, we're going to erase this part.
Magnetic field that reverses direction every 11 years. Sunspots slightly polar as on the photo. Here, respond to the cycle changes. The largest ones are almost twice as
Then I'm going to select this part.
Whoa, look at that solar flare erupting at the sun. Wow.
And there.
If you were on the moon, this is what it would pretty much look like.
We're going to erase this part because we don't want that. Now we can just do that. Okay. And now we can just erase that. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to click on that. And where did that come from? And now we're just going to make a little change to this costume. And do something like that. And erase this part. Okay, it's better. And so I'm just going to rename the sprite. If you click on the little eye here, this is the info panel, and you can see all these different stuff. There's like you can rename this, which is what I'm going to do. Just going to rename it to boy. And you can see the X and Y values down here. You can see the direction, and you can turn him around like that. Set it back at 90. How he was before. You have the rotation style you can do all around. I'm just going to switch this to the left-right. This is fixed dot, where it won't rotate, but I want it to be left-right. And there's can drag and player. I haven't figured out what this does yet. And there's also this show block right here. You can do that. If you uncheck, then it'll hide. But you don't want that. Okay. So this is the second costume. And so I think I'm going to add one more third costume here. So I'm going to go here. Actually, yeah, let's go here and duplicate it. And now, instead of using the eraser tool, I'm going to zoom in, grab the select tool, which I already have, and I'm going to select this part and turn it like that. Then I'm going to grab the green circle and move it right about here. And now I'm going to select this part, and then I'm going to turn it like this. Put it on right there. Now we have 3 complete costumes. So let's zoom out and see how these look. I'm just going to click the equal. So first we have that costume, then switch to this one, and then this one looks like that. Let's see. Alrighty. And that was the first tutorial on how to use Scratch. So I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you've learned something here, painting your own sprite and creating costumes for it. Again, I'm going to do the costume switch. I'm going to switch these. As you can see, now, as I switch between each one of these, it looks like he's running. So, there. That was the first Scratch tutorial. I hope you've learned. I hope you've learned something, and that is going to be it for this video. And I hope you've enjoyed. Now you can create this on Scratch if you want. You can try this out if you know how to do it. Okay, bye.